What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid-fade on my boy Rolando, so stay tuned. We're starting off with our gold FX and contouring our guideline to the shape of his head. Always make sure to stretch the skin with your opposite hand when balding out with your trimmers. Now that we're done balding him out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using your lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline you created with your gold FX. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now that the line is soft enough with the one guard, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Using our two guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our fourth guideline, getting it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we're moving on to our 1.5 guard and we're going to attempt to erase this line completely. Now we're going to debulk the top with the 4 guard all the way open. I like to line up the back of the beards before anything else. Now we're moving on to the fade of the beard. I like starting off with my no guard all the way open and then closing the lever and then moving on to my one guard all the way open. When lining my clients up, I usually start off in the middle. Here we're detailing with our 1.5 card all the way open. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. If you are enjoying the content, you could check out some other videos I have in the description. We are doing a hot towel shave, so the towel was a little bit hot, so I'm cooling it off. Now I'm applying it to the skin. Here we're using our Turkish razor with our Derby premium blades.